My name is Chantha Nguon. I'm from Cambodia. These recipes are my story. Bánh Xèo is kind of a French crepe, or you call pancake, but we fill it with fried chopped pork and bean sprout. We wrap the Bánh Xèo piece by piece in lettuce and sliced cucumber and some mint or Thai basil and dip in sweet and sour sauce. Bánh Xèo is the dish that my mother and my sister would make for family togetherness. Talking about Bánh Xèo, we are talking about many people run in and out of the house, and then lots of noise and voices talking loudly together and lot of laughter within the big family. So we have to make it in a big quantity, and like 5 pounds of rice that my sister had to grind. And normally when she asked me to measure the rice, I normally add a bit more, like at least half a pound on the top, because I always want to eat more, but we always ended up with like 20 bánh xèo left over and give it to our neighbors. Nowadays you can find rice flour in the package and everything. You can just pour out and mix with water. But when I was young in Battambang, it has to start with rice, and so my role was to measure the rice from the big pot we have, cup by cup, and normally I add, like my sister asked me to put 6 cups and I put 8. And then she wash until the water clear and soak it overnight. And in the morning she had to grind it spoon by spoon with the hand grinder for like at least 2 to 3 hours, because she has to grind it the first time and then the second time to make it finer before she was able to make bánh xèo. Next thing, she had to peel the ripe coconut and grate it also by hand for like about an hour, and then squeeze the milk out to make and make the butter, and then she start to cook. So it takes another 5 or 6 hours, and then we just keep eating and eating while she's cooking. It is very easy to make it. I can make it anytime because I always have a bag of rice flour I buy in the store. But it kind of makes me sad that we don't have this kind of togetherness, and then it less kind of slow work and enjoy together. Like we lost at least 5 hours to go through the process to make the flour, and then it tastes, for me, always tastes less than what my sister's bánh xèo used to be. But it's always fun together because we need many people to eat the bánh xèo. Once you make it, you have to make it a lot. You cannot make 1 or 2 for yourself. So it's always the meaning of family togetherness for bánh xèo still there. That's the main memory, and it's the main purpose for bánh xèo.